This is the red berry blossom, okay? Look at it. It's red, lots of berries. Raspberries in the bottom. We muddle, get a nice little raspberry paste in because that can color our drink. Ice in there. Now let's pour some booze in. Raspberry vodka. You can't get enough raspberries in your life. They're healthy. A little bit of strawberry liqueur to redden that. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Awesome. Okay, shake. Ice in our glass. And now we can strain in that beautiful red mix. Look at it. Awesome. Awesomeness. Top with a little ginger ale, okay? Notice that's not lemon lime soda. That's ginger ale, homeboy. Little lime slice. Stick a straw in this bad boy. Oh, raspberry too. Okay, all right. Put a little straw in there and we are off to the races, okay? So for more cool raspberry drinks, swing through tipsybartender.com. We got you covered, homeboy. We got you covered. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy, okay? And always drink responsibly.